think the backboard, I think it's like 6 cubes.
Okay.
I'm not sure what it is.
It's also
It's a 1-to-1 ratio.
yeah. Brad Baker's also designed this.
Right. Oh, lift it. Oh! How you doing, man? Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Rick.
Okay.
Got 4 HDX 415s,
Okay.
sound cube. Salt 8 running them. Not near enough electrical.
Nice. 6th order?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you build this?
Yep.
Very nice. It looks good. Do you know the tunings on it?
25 in the rear, 50 in the front. I got to bring the front down a little bit, but it does all right now.
Okay.
A little wide on the range.
Yes, sir. Nice. All right. What are you wired to on your amps? That's one thing I forgot to ask.
Half on.
Half on, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, half on. I got 2 soft 6s,
Mm-hmm.
and I was running them one on, 2 15s on each one.
Yeah.
And I burned them up.
Oh, yeah.
So
Yep.
waiting on them to
Yes, sir.
to get rebuilt.
All right. So what?
That's hard business.
Oh.
Yep.
So I can look in the back real quick.
Yeah.
Get a little closer. Oh, wow. Sorry if I can see it. Looks really good. Wow. That's this.
Yeah.
Oh, so, okay. Oh, I see it now. Your port's right there.
Yep.
Got it. How big is the sections on this sub? Do you know that part?
I do have to look at my phone and tell you.
You did. Don't worry about it. It's all good.
I think the backboard, I think it's like 6 cubes. I'm not sure what it is.
It's also
It's a 1-to-1 ratio.
yeah. Brad Baker's also designed this.
All right. Okay. Nice. So where I can look into the box a little bit?
Like turn the light flutter on the light or something.
Sure. That looks good. What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the walk around we just got of Rick's pretty impressive and efficient blow-through 6th order enclosure for 4 15-inch subwoofers. This was at the Savannah Seaport Showdown show in 2021. Finally getting to upload it. So go ahead and comment. Let them know what you think about his system if you haven't already, as well as give him a like. It's come a long way. Shout out to you. Did a really good job showcasing it at the show. So at first I didn't realize it was a 6th order, but this box caption here, there is a port that's in the back. As you can see, if you pause it, that's what she was showing me. Jessica was showing me on her phone. There is a rear port right here in the lining at the back of the box where the rear port is. So this is a 6th order because the subwoofers are inverted and the front ported section, and then the mounted cones are actually into the rear port, which is the back of the box or the side panels of this blow-through. So really efficient, long, deep box. And he did have some electrical issues on this 8,000 watt amplifier. He was saying he was having some voltage issues. Actually, at the end of the bass demo, at the end of the video, you'll see he actually had the amplifier going to protect. There was no more bass playing, so he was having some problems with the amplifier at the show. Probably because he didn't have enough electrical to support the powers he was talking about. But he got the job done, got it loud and playing. Anyway, so we're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo now. Just want to say a shout out to all of my channel supporters. Thank y'all for being supporters, as well as consider subscribing, everybody, if you haven't already, for more daily cardio videos coming your way every day. So enjoy the bass demo. Pretty impressively loud blow-through 6th order truck system. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
I love to hear it.
I haven't heard this song yet, so we'll see how it is.
Up my phone, I wish I
voltage is dropping?
Oh yeah, big time.
Yes, sir.
Joe's gonna get it.
Thank you for the demo.
Yeah, man.
Nice to meet you.
Yep.
What are you wired to on your amps? That's one thing I forgot to ask.
Half on.
Half on, okay. Yep.
Yeah, half on. I got 2 soft 6s,
Mm-hmm.
and I was running them one on, 2 15s on each one.
Yeah.
And I burned them up.
Oh, yeah.
So
Yep.
waiting on them to
Yes, sir.
to get rebuilt.
All right. So what?
That's hard business.
Oh, thank you. You have a good day. Thank you for showing me.
Yep.
That looks good. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
You have a good day, man.
Appreciate it.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at SkyHigh Cardio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.